everyone, my name is Cassie, and today I'm going to give you guys a presentation on how to fishtail your hair. Okay, have you guys ever had a bad hair day, or a day where your hair just won't cooperate, and you're like, what are you going to do, right? Well, if you fishtail your hair, you will never have to deal with this again, because it will take away all your troubles. I'm going to show and tell you how to fishtail your hair. I'll start by showing you how to prepare for the braid. Starting the braid, which happens to be the hardest part, can also be the easiest part with a lot of practice. I'll show you how to evenly add hair to the braid to make it nice and neat, and so there's no problems with it. Also, finishing the braid can be trouble and tricky if you have lots of layers or short hair. First, if you're going to fishtail your hair, you need to get your materials, which you're going to need nice clean hair so it's nice and soft. You're going to need a comb if it's not, and you got to comb through it, get rid of all the tangles, and you're going to want clean hands because you don't want to have greasy hands because it makes your hair really greasy. What you do, you're going to turn this way. First, you want to part your hair so it's parted evenly down the middle. You can do it either fast or you can take time. That's so you want, because you want it to be even on both sides. Then you're going to take hair from the bottom of one side, cross it over the braid, and put it on the underneath side of the other part. And you're going to take part of this from the bottom, cross it over, and add it to the bottom on this side. And pretty much you're going to repeat those steps all the way down the hair. And if you want, you can either leave it loose and get a loose braid, or you can pull it tight and get a tighter braid out of it. How much hair you add to each side will determine how big the braid is. So you can add either a really, really big chunk and make really big, fast fishtail, or you can add really, really small pieces, which then you will get really small fishtail, and it'll take you a lot longer, especially with really long hair. I'm going to braid this real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. This is kind of a loose braid, but that is kind of what it'll look like. And you can go all the way down, you can do it to the side, you can braid it down the back, and it makes this nice little pretty braid for your hair.
What group is this?
This is, she's getting her spoon for recording.
Oh,
No.
I'm sorry.
I'm just going to stop it right there so you guys can all see what it looks like. And that's a little fishtail braid, except I left a little loose right there. And with her hair, it's actually really pretty, and you can all see it. So, these are some helpful tips that I've shown you to help make your hair fishtail, and it makes a nice little pretty braid. And I just showed you how to start, prepare, get ready, and finish your braid. With these techniques, you should never have a bad hair day again, and it is quick and easy for a hair fix of any kind. With this information, you will now never have a bad hair day. Thank you. Oh my God.
You never say that after you speak. You let the crowd determine how it went. You never say, that's honest to God truth. Never have a bad thing to say about your presentation.